Welcome back. Today we are going to solve a problem related to magnetic field. Here you have a two current carrying wire and current is going inside, means it's passing through your monitor, right? Here you have I1 and here also same current I1, and this conductor is like infinitely long conductor, means it's pretty long conductor here, and current passing through means inside your monitor, right? It's not popping up, it's going inside. Here also same, and the distance between these two wire is 2L, right? And then here another wire which is carrying current I2. This wire is carrying current I2, is placed somewhere distance x from the middle, from any general point, but here the distance from the point, uh, from the middle point, distance from the middle point is a, means here to here somewhere is the middle point distance a. Okay, and this one means this middle point, this point is making angle 2 theta, right? Angle 2 theta from these two conductor. Actually this one means this another wire which is carrying current I2 is placed just in between this, but away from this these two wire, means a distance away from this two wire. So this is the scenario, right? Now what we need to find out here, first we will see how much magnetic field is there in this conductor, this red conductor, right? Here first we will find out the magnetic field, right? And then we know the current this wire is carrying current I2. Based on this current I2 and based on this magnetic field, we will find out the force, right? Ultimately we need to find a force. So first we will see B, means we will find out B, and then F. Okay, now magnetic field due to this wire, this is infinitesimal wire, means infinite wire is a long wire, and it kept, means here at a distance r, sorry, at a distance x, what would be the magnetic field here, right? We know the distance r, and this is a long wire. Then for long wire, alpha and beta will be 0. What is the formula which we use for calculating magnetic field? It's like mu naught by 4 pi epsilon round, 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi, r is the distance, and cos alpha plus cos beta. This is the formula to calculate the magnetic field due to the long wire. Here because wire is very long, alpha will be 0 and beta will be 0. Both will be 0, means you will end up with mu naught by, actually here I1, mu naught I1 by 2 pi r. It means mu naught I1 divided by 2 pi r. This is the magnetic field which will act at this point. Okay, and this r is this r. Then how to find out this r? Actually distance from this point P, let's assume this is point P, distance from point P to this middle point is x. Okay, and this length is fixed, which is L. Okay, and this angle will be theta because there is symmetry. This angle will be theta. Then what will happen? We need to find out the value of r in terms of ln x. Then we can say r will be equal to L square plus x square, right? It will be L square plus x square. Okay, now next step, what you will do, like, yeah, r we will put later on, L square plus x square. Okay, here we have a two magnetic field, one is a B1 and B2. So then this is a generic formula. Then B1 will be equal to mu naught I1 by 2 pi r. Similarly B2 will be equal to mu naught I1 by 2 pi r. Both will be same, correct? Okay, now we got b1 and b2. Now let's see here. The distance means okay, first the important thing is that direction of b. See, direction of, to calculate the direction of b, we will use the fundamental formula like b is equal to what? Ideal cross r, right? In general, b is equal to mu naught by 4 pi idl cross r by r cube. Means the direction of magnetic field will be given by the direction of ideal and r. This is the first vector, this one is second vector, and this one is third vector. According to my right hand rule, means you need to direct your finger along the direction of current. Means you take your right hand finger and put your finger on the top of this line, this point. It means current is going inside, okay? And then turn your palm in this r direction, means in this direction. Turn your palm in this direction, okay? Then what would be the direction of thumb? The direction of thumb will be this, okay? Direction of thumb will be this. It means this is the b2, is the, this one is the direction of b2 because of this current I. Okay, now for this same story, right? You put your finger toward this, means touching by this, and turn your palm in this, means face your palm in this direction of p. Then your thumb will give you direction, this one, b1 direction, okay? The angle between this line and this line is 2 theta, and here is like this one is creating 90 degree with this one is creating 90 degree with this, means angle between b1 and b2 will also be 2 theta, right? So now we have a two vector b1 and b2, angle between these is 2 theta. Then what will happen, the resultant will go from here, which will be b. This is b1, b2. Then what will be the b value of b will be underscore b1 square plus b2 square plus 2 b1 b2 cos theta. And then if you just put this value over here, I'm not going to solve this, you gotta solve this. B will be equal to mu naught by pi into I1 x divided by x square plus L square. This will be the value of B. This will be value of B, means magnetic field at any generic point, right? At any generic point. Then what we have over here is like we need to find the force. So how to find a force? Force is dF. dF is equal to I dl cross B, ideal cross B. What would be the direction of force? Okay, direction of B is this. Ultimately direction of B will be this, okay? And ideal is this. Sorry, ideal is this. You turn your finger along this ideal direction, this is the first finger, and your palm in this direction, okay? You turn your finger in this direction, palm in this direction, palm in the direction of B. Then what you will get? You will get a force. Force will be in the direction of thumb, okay? Just finger in this direction, and this one is this direction, and then it means force. The force will act inside. Force will act inside, okay? Yeah. Okay, then ideal cross B. Then what will happen? Here you put the value of ideal. Ideal is simple I2 dx, okay? Your I2 dx into B. B is what you have calculated, be into sine 90. Here angle is 90. So df will be this. Then to calculate f, what you got to do, put I2 over here, put value of b also. You will get mu naught by 4 pi I1 I2 x dx by x square plus l square root. Okay, and then integration. From where to where you will do integration? From 0 to a plus l. Why 0 to? Actually a to a plus l. A to a plus l. The length of this will be l. A to a plus l. Actually the distance from here to here, this is a, and then this length is l. Let's assume. Then from a to a plus l, you integrate it, you will get the answer, and then final answer you will get like mu naught I1 I2 divided by 2 pi log x square plus l square from a to a plus l. From a to a plus l. Hope this is clear. See you in the next video. Bye.